Weather Service in Detroit Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, central St. Clair County in southeastern Michigan, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Armada, or near Richmond, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: public confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Richmond around 12:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Memphis around 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and at around 12:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Riley Center, Burville, Columbus, Bridle Run, Goodell's, Ray Center, Smiths Creek, Allenton, and Adair. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways,